So in this video, I will teach you on how to get rewards without watching advertisements or ads in Android. So first, you need to purchase an ad-free versions and subscriptions as well that offers a premium versions, which is it removes advertisements and provides some extra rewards that will enhance your experience using the application. And then, you can also use promo codes and redeem it on their official social media pages or some Discord servers for special rewards. And then, for another approach, you can also join their events and giveaways for you to able to participate in seasonal events, challenges, or promotions by the developers. So, in another method, you can also use an offline mode for offline games only, and it is not applicable for some online games. So, in offline mode, you can just turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data if the game doesn't require you to access your internet. So, by that, it will block the ads entirely. And then, by completing the daily challenges as well as the tasks that focus on daily logins, some tasks, some achievements, or milestone completions, which will often provide you some rewards without involving advertisements. So, that's how you get rewards without watching advertisements on Android.